this is a short scratch project of how to make a simple racetrack. Woo! Nice, right? Now let's get to the beginning. Ha! Good. This is the simple tutorial for how to make a racetrack game in Scratch. Ooh, nice. Huh, you're going to enjoy it. Probably. So, first off, make the backdrop. It's not gonna be completely bitmap, trust me. But let's fill this in with green. And then we go back to vector. So, now we got smooth surfaces now. And this is where we'll make our racetrack. This is what you're going to race on. This is just this is just my shape. So, the finish line will start here. I know, we probably need to make that just a little bit thicker. Whoa, are those screen refreshes? I think they are screen refreshes. So, the track will start in handy. Actually, let's make a smaller let's make a black line here. This is gonna be the boundaries of the race track. If you crash into these, you'll have to start all over again. This tutorial is pretty easy. We're even gonna keep Scratch Cat. He's not gonna look as normal. And he's not gonna look like it. I'm making my car blue, but person and no wheels, because that's too difficult. But you can add wheels if you want. And you can also add, you can also make your car a different color if you want to. You can also do more. race. Ha! You didn't expect that, right? Ha! I knew you probably didn't expect that. It just says race. Bored? Well, I guess race isn't good. Maybe a giant C. Ha! They're the best. They look good on the roofs. That's it. Now doesn't this look like something? I bet it does. Huh. So if here we're gonna add a winning green flag lit block. Simple, right? Well, this is going to be a little bit more complex, but as I said, it's going to be quite easy. if now we're going to have to make a variable called speed. Actually, we can just rename my variable to, since this isn't really required for the I'm not going to. Not sure. If no, not that key. That key. Up arrow press then. Zero 0.1 seconds. Change speed by 0.1. Next, I'm going to flag click. Let's make it and make it point direction 90. 3. The See? Let's do right and left. Ooh. Let's do free and free. Actually, we can duplicate that here. Negative 0.3. If key down arrow is pressed. What do you say? What's up to, Mom? Okay. You should have listened to that part where we were just talking for a few seconds. You should have really you should have really paid attention to that. The only thing you should really be paying attention to is over. Actually, touching, if it's touching this color, then we're just gonna have to duplicate what happens. It's fully functional now. You should have listened to that deeper. It's so dirty. Well, you should have listened. You shouldn't have listened to that either. Just a code. And now I shared my project over. Oh, unless this video is literally less than 15 minutes. Wow. Let's just give it a quick lap. Okay, yeah, 1.2 might be good. We gotta make this turn, so we gotta be careful. Well, I am really paying attention. I'm not just tricking you guys. This is possible. Still less than 15 minutes. Bye. This might be good for you in the near future or something. Yeah. Anyways, subscribe. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,